right, let's do this. Hello and welcome to uCast Talks, your go-to podcast for trends, insights, and the tech that are shaping the OTT and IPTV world. Well, today's topic is one many of us can relate to. We're talking about subscription fatigue. And you know the feeling, right? So you have 5 services, you're getting 5 bills, and you probably still have nothing to watch. Well, the industry is finally responding. So in 2025, we are seeing this significant shift toward bundled services, and we also identified this in our 2025 trends blog that we published earlier this year. So rather than asking users to juggle multiple subscriptions like Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO, and the rest, the platforms and ISPs are now teaming up to offer all-in-one packages. So you can say that OTT platforms are now evolving from content hosts to content hubs. And it's not just because of the price, right? It's also because of simplicity and the value of the whole package, right? So this is a trend, but what's really happening? Let's break it down. So as mentioned before, according to our 2025 trends blog post, the operators are now integrating content aggregation engines directly into their platforms. And they are doing this to enable seamless, easy access to multiple services through a single interface. The user gets one login, one interface, and of course also one monthly bill. So you can say that this is like Netflix meets Amazon Prime meets your local TV operator, and it's all in one offer. So, and we're seeing this all around the world. For example, Verizon Plus Play in the US bundles services like Netflix, Disney Plus, and others, and they allow customers to manage everything under one Verizon account. Similar, for example, TeamVision in Italy packages Netflix and DAZN, the over-the-top sports streaming service, with their broadband offering. Again, and the customer gets everything under one account. So why does this matter? Because, of course, acquisition and especially retention are getting increasingly more expensive for the OTT operators. And the bundling makes it easier for the operators to address the customers and also for the customers to stick around. Everything is simplified, so content discovery is easier, and the whole decision fatigue is much lower because, well, you're searching through one interface, and the platform, if they're made well, they deliver what viewers really want, and they want lots of content and convenient access to that content. Now you might ask, how do solutions like UniqCast platform help OTT operators deliver these bundled experiences? Well, there are many features that these platforms should provide and have, but of course it's important to think about the seamless content and aggregation from multiple sources. And here is a list of the most important features that the platform should provide. First, I think we should mention the unified service integration. So the platforms should support integration with major content providers via APIs, because that's easy, that's fast, and so that the operator can make a decision, and in a few weeks, not months, the new content hub can be integrated into the service. So that it can be, for example, Netflix, can be your local VOD provider, or some niche sport channel. Integrating content sources like this should be made easy and fast. And then we should mention single sign-on and billing. So with the single sign-on, of course, the user gets a single login, a single interface, and they get one invoice, and they don't even know that in the back end, they are accessing multiple partner content services. And that's a huge friction point for the subscriber that's removed by doing that. But we should also mention here the premium or advanced UI, because of course all these content hubs are maybe natively available on different screens. Some may be on the set-top box, some may be on mobile phones, but at the end, the platform should integrate everything together so that the user can browse all the content without needing to switch the platforms. It's all about content as we know it, and the users want to have this abundant experience, and the recommendation engine can help a lot. Imagine when you bundle multiple content aggregators on one platform, you have a lot of different catalogs, and recommendation engine, if it's done well, if it's searching across all the catalogs, it makes the search much easier, and increases the content consumption, and the whole experience for the user is much, much better. And at the end, the operator should have everything centralized. Everything should be managed from the back end. The operator should have full control over packages, over pricing, over user data. The operator should be able to make some analytics across all the catalogs and all the content providers to support their further decision making. So in short, platforms such as UniqCast platform should give operators this technical backbone so that they can become these super content aggregators at the end of the day. So what's the bottom line here? Subscription fatigue is here, and bundling is not just a trend. It's really a strategic decision and then evolution of the OTT service just to stay relevant and to stay in the game. And for all the operators out there, ISPs, telcos, broadcasters, the message is quite clear. You will have to aggregate or be left behind. Well, that's quite a serious message for the end of this podcast. But let's stay positive. These are things that can be overcome. There are technologies, we have the knowledge, everything is ready. So it's important just to stay alive and keep moving, I think. And that's it for today's podcast. Thanks for tuning into uCast Talks again. And don't forget to follow us for more industry insights. And until next time, take care and bye-bye.